Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Joseph Online Classes. I'm Meenakshi Beri, your math teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you word sums based on subtractions. Word sums based on subtraction. Students, please open your book, page number 31, exercise 5th C. Page number 31, exercise 5th C. Children, first of all, I will discuss solved examples with you. Let us start. Question number 1. What must be added to 87,243 to get 1,75,321? What must be added to 87,243 to get 1,75,321? Students, don't get confused with the word added. Okay? Don't get confused with the word added. In this sum, you have to subtract the numbers. What must be added to? How much we add in 87,243 to get the answer 1,75,321. That means we have to subtract the given numbers. Which number is greater? Second one is greater. 1,75,321 is a greater number and 87,243 is a smaller number. While we are doing the subtraction, we'll write the greater number first. Write down 175,321. Under it you have to write down 87243. Right? Number should be written under the number. Number should be written under the number. Now start subtraction. Always start the subtraction from ones place only. Okay, and the ones place number is 1. Ones place number is 1, right? And 1 is smaller than 3. 1 is smaller than 3. You can't subtract. That's why we will borrow 1 from 2. Okay. Now, on 1's place, now the number is 11. 11 minus 3, answer is 8. Now, on 10's place, the number is left is 1. 1 is again smaller than 4. That's why we'll borrow 1 from 100 place, right? When we borrow 1 from 100 place, now on 10's place, the number is 11. On 10's place, the number is 11. 11 minus 4, answer is 7. Now, on 100 place, the number is left 2. On 100 place, number is left 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, on 1000 place, the number is 5. On 1000 place, the number is 5. 5 is smaller than 7. Now, you have to borrow from 10,000 place. Now, on 1000 place, the number is 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Now, on 10,000 place, the number is left 6. Borrow 1. 16 minus 8, answer is 8. The number is 88,078. Children, now we will solve second example. a businessman bought 90 fans from a factory for rupees 45,000. 45,000 is a cost price of 90 fans. Okay, bought means buy something, right? That is the cost price. He sold them to the shop for rupees 54,000. 54,000 is a selling price. How much money did he make? That means selling price is more than cost price. That's why shopkeeper is having or businessman is having profit, right? Now we'll write down the steps. Amount spent on buying 45,000. Amount received on selling 54,000. Money made on sale, that means profit, is selling price minus cost price. 54,000 minus 45,000. Here selling price is more than cost price. That's why businessman is having profit. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 is smaller than 5. Borrow from 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Profit is 9,000. Children, now we will start exercise 5th C, word sums. First sum, Lata won a singing contest by 75,926 votes. Hema came second. If Lata got 2,30,405 votes, how many votes did Hema get? I will repeat the question again. Lata won a singing contest by 75,926 votes. Hema came second. If Lata got 2,30,405 votes, how many votes did Hema get? Now, total votes are given. How many votes Lata got? 2,30,405. Okay? And Lata won a singing competition by 75,926 votes. Okay? And who lost the singing competition? Hema. Now you have to calculate the number of votes got by Hema. By subtracting both the number, you can get the answer. Let's start. Lata got 2,30,405 votes. Lata won a singing contest by 75,926 votes. Now you have to calculate Hema votes. Okay? Then Hema got votes is equal to, you have to subtract both. Which number is greater? 2,30,405 is greater. You have to subtract 75,926 from it. Let's start subtracting from the ones place. Right? First ones place number is 5. 5 is smaller than 6. Borrow from 0. 0 is not having any value. That's why we will borrow from 4. Right? Then when we will borrow from 100 place, 4. 3 is left there. Then 9 and then 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Again 3 is smaller than 9. You can't borrow from 0. We will borrow from 3. 2 is left there and we borrow from 3. Okay. 2 is left there. Then 9. Then 3. 13. 9 minus 13 minus 9 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 12 minus 7 is 5 and 1. Answer is 154479. Now, next question. If the population of a town increases by 15,793, it will become 6 lakh. What is its population now? If the population of a town increases by 15,793. Okay? If the population increases, how much? 15,793. And it will become 6 lakh. कितनी हो गई वो? 6 lakh. What is its population now? Let us start. The population of a town becomes 6 lakh. Right? If the population increases by 15,793. Population now, that means you have to subtract. Clear? Population now, that means you have to subtract. 6 lakh, you have to borrow from 6. Last number is 10. All are 9999. Right? 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, 8 and 5. Answer is 584207. Now children, we will solve the next question. A factory made 47,800 TV sets in 2009. If 3,452 sets were made in December, how many sets were made till November? A year is having 12 months. Okay, that means up to November you have to calculate the number of TV sets. A factory made 47,800 TV sets in 12 months. In 2009 means in 12 months. But in December, factory made TV sets is equal to 3,452. How many sets were made till November? That means you have to subtract both. Let's start. A factory made TV sets in 2009 is equal to 47,800. TV sets were made in December, that you have to subtract, right? TV sets made till November. Now, you have to borrow from 8. 7 is left there. Last number is 10. And once 10's place number is 9, right? 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. And 4. Double 4, 3, 4, 8. TV sets were made till November is equal to 44348. Next question. 23,958 papayas grew in Hari's farm and 23,689 grew in Adi's farm. On whose farm did more papayas grow and how many more? I'll repeat the question again. 23,958 papayas grew in Hari's farm and 23,689 grew in Adi's farm. On whose farm did more papayas grow and how many more? Which number is greater? 23,958 papayas grew in Hari's farm is greater. That means the first answer is more papayas grew in Hari's farm. More papayas grew in Hari's farm, right? And how many? That means you have to subtract both. Papayas grew in Hari's farm is equal to 23958. And papayas grew in Adi's farm 23689. Subtract both. More papayas grow in Hari's farm, right? How much? Subtract. 8 is smaller than 9. Borrow from 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. 14 minus 8, 6. And 8 minus 6, 2. Answer is 269 papayas. What must be added to 463,591 to get 60,220? What must be added means, don't get confused with the word added. You have to subtract both the numbers. Okay? How much you add in this first number to get the second? How much you add in 10 to get 15? That means 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Same thing you have to do in this. Subtract the number. 10 minus 1, 9. 11 minus 5, 6. 11 minus 3, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. And 5 minus 4, 1. Answer is 1, 3, 8, 6, 9. Children, note down the assignment. Do question number 1 to 5 neatly in copy. Thank you and have a nice day.